How are we doing, guys? I guess today you could say we'll be installing the drivetrain minus the half shafts because I don't have the mounting bolts to bolt them to the diff. What we will be doing is taking out the A stamp gearbox crossmember and putting in a B stamp gearbox crossmember, as I stated in a couple of videos back that you'll be needing a B stamp gearbox crossmember if you have a manual transmission. For today, we'll just be putting up the 2-piece factory tail shaft, bolting up to my R200 4-bolt diff hat at the moment. We'll be taking that off, putting a 2-bolt diff hat on there because I have an S13 subframe. So with all that being said, I'm going to give some things a clean first before I start putting things in. Okay, so here's for those people that don't know the difference between the A stamp and the B stamp gearbox crossmembers yet. This is the A stamp and this is the B stamp. The left side being the high side and the right side being the low side. You can clearly see that the A stamp gearbox crossmember faces towards the front of the car and the B stamp gearbox crossmember faces towards the rear of the car. An easy way to remember this, A stands for automatic, so if you have an automatic transmission, you'll want the A stamp gearbox crossmember. If you have a manual, you want the B. I also know there's a C stamp gearbox crossmember, but I'm not too sure what the C stamp is for, but if you have a manual gearbox, this is the one that you'll need. So let's go put this in.